Okay, so like, I'm gonna rank the Super Golf maps cause like yeah. Okay Forest, this map feels like the most plain, even though it's really not. Hole 1. This is the baseline for every hole. It's a very solid 5 out of 10, nothing much else to say. Hole 2. Also very simple, but a little less. You can jump over the line or whatever, so that's cool. I'll say another 5.4 out of 10. Hole 3. Now it's getting saucy. Pretty straightforward on jumping, but not so much on or classic. You have that spinner to dodge, that ramp to get over, so it gets a bit complicated. You can go at the very corner at 69 on classic, so that's pretty cool. Just cause of that, I'll say 6.5 out of 10. Hole 4. Okay, the sauce is gone. Just wait for the spinner and go 63. 4 out of 10. Hole 5. Dunk. Need I say more? 7 out of 10. Hole 6. Okay, this one is less cool. Don't worry, we're almost out of the lame holes. 4.5 out of 10. Hole 7. Hold on, let me do the autocorrect sentence thingy. This phylogenetic tree was created by comparing the DNA sequences of humans that willingly chose to become golf balls. That's what I think of this hole. 6 out of 10. Hole 8. There is nothing more satisfying than getting a high-o on this hole on hockey. Same goes for classic, so you know, 7 out of 10. Hole 9. Lay aim. 4 out of 10. Hole 10. Oh, hole 10. This hole so rigged it's unbelievable. But to be fair, it's mostly skill issue. 4.9 out of 10. Hole 11. This one's pretty cool. Sometimes you have to shoot some hard angles in the second part, but that's part of the fun. 6.3 out of 10. Hole 12. The half pipe is cool, other than that, it's a 6 out of 10. Hole 13. This is like one of the few hole you can actually get a sub-second time on. Specifically on hockey. Other than that, 44. 7 out of 10. Hole 14. I like how it has that windmill that actual golf courses have. The windy path makes it way more hard, and I like that, not gonna lie. Let's go with, 6 out of 10. Hole 15. Like hole 5 but less cool. 6 out of 10. Hole 16. I like when I can hit this on hockey, and the classic strat is cool too. Not a fan of waiting, though. So 6.8 out of 10. Hole 17. Pretty straightforward, nothing much to it really. 6 out of 10. Hole 18. They did not have to put that spinner right before the bridge. Getting Raven here is harder than Atlantis, which I like, so that boosts its points. Also nice stalemate breaker for ties, so I'll give it the first 8 out of 10. Overall, this map is very average. The main gimmick is spinners, which honestly aren't my favorite. The nice tricks and qualities of it outweigh that, and the sheer speed of it in hockey too. So I'll go with a nice 6 out of 10. I'm thinking of doing a custom map after every regular map, so maybe I'll try Swamp or something, I don't really know just yet.